Hey everyone, gonna try to do this one pretty fast because it's quite warm out. At least it's kind of fitting because I'm gonna try both the peanut butter lovers and chocolate lovers blizzards made with Reese's peanut butter cups from Dairy Queen. So quickly, there's peanut butter. Skip of everything. Yep, very nice. Definitely has that classic peanut butter decadence you expect. With a touch of chocolate, of course. Palate cleanser. And over to chocolate. Also very nice. Quite a bit richer, given that there's more chocolate in it. And of course, a little bit of peanut butter hits the tongue. Not sure which one I like better. I think I kind of made the right call, even if this wasn't for a video. Just getting them both. Enjoying them together. I actually say that as someone who hasn't really chosen a side between the actual peanut butter cups. Chocolate lovers or peanut butter lovers. I've usually just bought them both in one go too. But if you're looking for a little something different than the regular Reese's balance, think about what you prefer between chocolate or peanut butter, and try it out with some Dairy Queen soft serve. So that's basically it. Gonna turn the air conditioning back on and finish these up. So I'll see you later, folks.